Hey guys, Celeron00 here, and today I'm gonna install Windows 10 22/2 on my VMware Workstation, since it's my first tech video. I'm gonna install Windows 10 for virus tests and more, so don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And since it's my second video with my voice, I want to apologize for some of my grammar issues, but I have emotions, so that's why. Now enjoy the installation of Windows with a background music. As you can see, I installed the Windows 10 successfully. And now I'm gonna install the graphics driver and doing some tweaks, and the Windows is ready for testing. And now I temporarily applied my YouTube picture because I don't have my wallpaper at the right moment, but I'll do it soon. That's all for today guys, see you on the next video, bye!